with the Fernandez service?
She's sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
I'm so happy, and you did a great job and very quick, and thank you so much.
Thank you for choosing us. This is the Fernandez HVAC do for our customer, and please, you have our number, our website, and send your customer reviews. Thank you so much, Mrs.
You're
Cristina.
welcome.
Thank you. Okay.